Guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this delicious potato porridge or pottage. It's so easy to make and very delicious. It's also ideal for weight loss. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. Here are the ingredients you'll be needing. Onions, that's half bowl of the onions. I have carrots chopped already, red and green bell peppers already chopped, and then I have salt over here. I have parsley, dry parsley, but I didn't use it again. I used the fresh one. Okay, so I have one nut cube here, and then I have thyme, I have curry, I have paprika powder, I have oregano, I have oil, but I didn't use the oil again because the chicken gave me enough oil. I have some potatoes over there. I have chicken drumstick. And then there's half bowl of the onions, scotch bonnet pepper, 2 of them I have, and then I have 3 cloves of garlic. Then I have this is coriander seeds, coriander leaves, sorry. So I'm going to go ahead and then remove the skins of the chicken. I don't like chicken skin in some cases, okay? So this is one of the cases I have to remove the skin and then debone it, remove the bones. Yes, I'm just going to use only the flesh to make this potato porridge. Yeah, so I'm just going to remove the bone, but you guys don't throw away that bone you just removed. So I'm just going to remove it and then cut it in chunks, bite sizes. Yes, so cut it, and then this bone, use it to make your chicken stock. Add it to chicken stock. Even the skin as well, can use to make the chicken oil, like for jollof rice and other recipes you'll be creating with it. Okay? So you keep on going ahead and removing the chicken skin and deboning it like so, until it is done, like so, like these 5 sizes. Look at the sizes I cut. So when you're done, you add them to the pot. Season them with the onions. Half of the onions. I grated in the garlic. Just grating the garlic. Garlic is so good, it brings a lot of flavors, okay? So don't skip it. Grate it, and then you add in your thyme. I boiled it, like not up to a teaspoon. Then I added in some curry powder and the seasoning cube. I used 1 part of the seasoning cube for steaming the meat now. So add in some water, stir it, and then cook just at the level of the chicken. Okay, it doesn't take time to cook this. Then cook till it is like 70% cooked. Then go ahead and peel the potatoes like so. After you're done peeling it, just cut them, okay, into like so. The way I cut them evenly, like the same sizes, so they can cook evenly. Yes, so after that you add it to the bowl of the water so it doesn't discolorate. It doesn't change color. Okay, so just add it. So after that you go ahead and chop the habanero peppers, the ataro. Just go ahead and chop it up, cut them, okay, evenly. Mind you, if you're not a pepper type, please just reduce, okay? This thing can be spicy, this pepper. Just chop it up, and then the onions as well, then set it aside. When that is done, then we head over to the chicken to see how it's doing. So here is the chicken. The chicken is cooked, but not fully cooked though. We'll continue cooking with the potatoes. I added some water to top it up. You can see that oil floating. Yeah, so that's why I didn't add any more oil. So you add in the potatoes, stir it. Yes, stir it a little bit, add in some curry powder. That's about half teaspoon over there. Then added in some oregano. That's about half teaspoon as well. Yes, okay. Then added in some paprika, half teaspoon. For the quantity I made like 5 potatoes over here, okay. So you just add it accordingly. Cover and cook, okay. Cook the potatoes until they are like 90% cooked. Sorry. So you add, sorry guys for the blurry camera, I didn't know. Add in the carrots and the bell peppers, okay. Then the onions, the sliced onions, and then the scotch bonnet. Then stir it very well. Yes, just stir it in. Then you taste it. I tasted it, it still requires some seasoning, so I added the remaining part of the nor cube, because I used 1 cube before. I added a little more salt to it, and then I stirred it very well to incorporate everything, and then I tasted it again. It was good. As you can see, that thumbs up, so please also give me the same thumbs up, okay? Alright, thank you. So here are the 3 vegetables I used. I later used this scent leaf, nchuanwu, coriander leaves, and parsley. Yes, go ahead and chop the 3 vegetables together. Look guys, this is so good. Like, it brings out the flavors. They added their own unique flavors. Yeah, I urge you to try this. So over to the potato. I checked it again. Yes, for you guys to see. You see that it is fully cooked. Yes, it's cooked. So I just went ahead and stir it and added in the vegetables. Like, you guys, this vegetable brought in so many flavors to this dish. It's so good. Just try these 3 wise vegetables, you will love it. So just go ahead and give it a quick stir again. Just look at that potato porridge, looking so yummy and good. So it's just stir it again, cover it, and switch off the flame. Serve it hot and enjoy. It's so hearty, so comforting, and so delicious. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.